Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by if this is your first time. If you are a returnee, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful Ghana weaving wig that I have on. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this wig, please keep watching. Here are the supplies that you will need for this wig making. The first step is to mark where your hairline begins. You can use the mannequin head as a guide or wear the cap on your head and mark your natural hairline. After that, I am going to create my part. Okay, so I want this wig to have a side part. This picture right here inspired this wig that I am making, so I'm drawing my line to mimic the part on the picture that you just saw. Now we're going to pin down the braided hair on the mannequin head, on the wig cap, right? So you want to follow the pattern that you drew and pin down your braided hair on top of the wig cap. Make sure you're pinning your hair exactly how you want it to look after you are done sewing. Now we're going to start our sewing. My preferred thread for sewing is this one right here because it is a synthetic thread and it is quite strong. Because I couldn't get a matching color, I opted for the normal cotton thread. I am also going to be using my C needle because I find it easier to work with. So for the threading, I am going to double the thread for added security. That way I am sure that my sewing is going to be strong and firm and it's not going to unravel anytime soon. Alright, so you double the thread before you pass it through the eye of the needle. By the time you pass it through the eye of the needle, the thread is going to become 4 instead of just 2. For the other synthetic thread, I do not double. I just use it as it is. But for this one, I have to double so that I am sure that my sewing is going to be very strong. So let's start sewing. I'm going to take out one of the hairs so that I can show you exactly how I begin my sewing. You want to sew on the wrong side and not on the right side. So I'm going to pass the needle through the hair, not from the very beginning. I'll move my hand a bit further and pass the needle through the hair and then bring it out. Then I'm going to work my way back to the very beginning of the hair. Whatever you do, make sure that your sewing is not showing in front. Okay, so just work that thread back to the very tip of the hair, the very beginning of the hair, and pass it through the loop that you created when you were braiding the hair. And then we are going to start sewing it onto the cap. I'm going to leave you to watch what I'm doing. You would understand it. I tried as much as I can to make the video very self-explanatory, okay? Just before I go, if you have watched this video up to this point and you are not yet a part of this family, why don't you just subscribe so that you can become a part of this amazing family? When you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with somebody who needs it. You never can tell. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.